In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize certain features on benzluisarlos.atlassian.net, particularly focusing on the For You section in Jira. This guide is designed to help you understand how to share project information easily. Let's get started. To kick things off, head over to the For You dashboard in Jira. This is essentially your landing page that's customized to fit your interests and past activities. You can typically find this by popping the URL right into your browser. Once you arrive, you'll notice an overview of the projects and tasks that are particularly relevant to you. It's pretty nifty because it helps you keep tabs on everything you've got going on. Think of it as a neatly organized space that quickly brings together your necessary information without any fuss. No more sifting through endless tabs or menus to get what you need. Now, once you're in the dashboard, your next step is to click on the specific project that piques your interest. You'll see a list of your active projects, so all you need to do is pick the one you're currently tackling. While this may seem straightforward, it's a vital step as you'll conduct all your subsequent actions within this particular project's environment. By selecting your project, you'll be directed to a space that's entirely focused on your work. Here, you'll find all the essential details, including your tasks, timelines, and responsibilities. Getting comfortable with this space can make your daily workflow a breeze. As soon as you've settled into your chosen project, it's time to look for the option to share it. Typically, you'll find a Share button located towards the top of your project's page. This button is a crucial part of collaborating with colleagues, allowing you to give them access to the project details seamlessly. A quick click on Share will reveal further options, making it super easy to communicate with your team about current tasks or areas that need attention. After you hit the Share button, the next thing you want to do is click on Copy Link. It may seem like a small step, but it's incredibly useful. By copying the link, you ensure you have a precise URL for your project ready to send to colleagues or other stakeholders via email, chat, or any communication platform of your choice. It takes away any hassle of digging through various projects to locate yours and guarantees the recipient will be directed straight to the intended page without any confusion. By following these steps, you can significantly optimize your project management experience within Jira. From starting at the For You dashboard to sharing project links effectively, you're enhancing both collaboration and productivity. Feel free to explore these steps further to get the most out of Jira's capabilities for managing